Okay guys, today is the 9th day and last day natin para sa ating nature trip. And tomorrow, 22, uwi na tayo ng Manila kasi meron tayong magiging schedule sa Isabela sa mga susunod araw. Pero may dalawang araw pa tayong pahinga. Pero may gusto ko ipaalala sa inyo yung ating malupit na kaibigan dito, si Dudut lang.
Shoutout Dudut. Shoutout kay Jang Tote. Thank you, coach.
Hello guys! Ngayon pala ang last day namin. Overnight swimming kami.
Mag-swimming kami mamaya and bukas, depende kung makakauwi kasi may bagyo.
Uy! Walang bagyo. Nakabook na yung flight niyo.
Nakabook na daw. Ayaw niya. Gusto na tayo makauwi niya.
Pogi naman na.
Yeah, boy.
Kala ko di ka sasama ko, Chi.
Kala ko rin.
Gino siya?
Sasalamin ba yan kung hindi si Coach Ding Dong yan?
Alam namin, naligaw kayo. Ayaw niyong umamin.
Lumagpas lang kami.
Oo, sige.
Ano ang problema mo? Bilang ko 1, 2, 3 ha.
When you say you feel low and good things are hard to see, when you pray to find love, I know somewhere we could be.
Ano ba yan? Dagat na naman?
Siyempre, coach.
Araw-araw na lang. Guys, ganda ng t-shirt oh. Tayo nyo yan, malapit na yan. 2027, January alabas.
Tagal ah.
There's a place where we can go tonight. The rhythm will make it right. Where everyone is.
Okay, tatlo lang kami naman sumisisid eh. Yung mga kasama namin, hindi naman marunong lumangoy eh, no?
Wala.
Hindi marunong lumangoy.
Bukid ano nila eh.
Oo, gusto nila bundok.
Sa bundok.
Dito tayo sa tubig.
Tubig tayo sa dagat.
Is happy and the sun will shine all night. We could have a good time. Let everybody sing. Why don't you let yourself slip out of control? We could have a good time. Let everybody sing. Get your feet up on the floor.
Ano natin gagawin, Mark?
Tatalon
tayo doon.
Push ka. Ayan. Talon.
Mababa lang yan.
Kakain pa ako eh.
Hindi, mababa
Hindi pa,
lang.
mamaya mababa lang daw. Hindi,
Wala nang araw,
Ayun, kay
mababa.
Clint oh, ayan oh. Dahil dyan,
Akit ka na.
wala yan. Walang ano yan, walang
Akit ka na,
bundok dyan, walang bundok.
Italon mo lang!
Huwag dyan, doon ang talon kuya. Doon ang talon. Basta ito eh. Oo, talaga. Dito, sa malalim ha. Go! 3! 2!
Kailangan, coach. Mark, sige na.
Kailangan, nahinginig ka talaga ako. Okay.
Okay.
Go!
Go!
Bala!
1, 2, 3! Talon! Ang layo din, Justin. Malayo yan.
Alauna! Alas 2! Alas 3! Talon! Go Mike.
Ikaw. Oh no! Ikaw. Ano hindi? Ikaw.
Saan ka? Hindi ako, hindi.
Hawakan namin
Video
yan.
keeper ako ah.
Hindi. Hawakan namin yan.
Talon ka.
Magpapalit pa ako eh.
Ito na nga eh. Tanggal na nga eh.
Wag mo dyan yung ano mo sa ulo, wag sa ulo. Wag sa ulo. Hindi ah, hawakan mo lang. Uy, hawakan mo lang to.
Hindi naman siya mag-swimming, coach.
Ha? Go, banat.
Anong taas nga ano?
Oo nga, no. Ang taas nga, no.
Taas nga. Mababa lang.
Alauna.
Alas 2. Backflip.
Hindi ko kaya. Alauna.
Alabo na.
Alas 2. Alas 3!
Tagal bago umangat.
I'm sick of lying here all alone and nearly sleepless at night. I'm honest, it's boring. 1,000,000 demons surrounding me, picking a fight. It's toxic. You were the best I ever had, but every second you were screwing me over, and now I'm done with it. I guess that there was no surprise. Deleting you out of my mind. Isn't it iconic? Standing on the front line, steady going forward without knowing the direction. I need to be honest, it was for the better. Now every day is perfect for a life of celebration. Go ahead. Come tonight, I'm struggling, reminiscing about our good times, the good days, the good days. But good wasn't the only perspective of all the days that we had. We lost it. You were the best I ever had, but every second you were screwing me over, and now I'm done with it. I guess that there was no surprise. Deleting you out of my mind. Isn't it iconic? Standing on the front line, steady going forward without knowing the direction. I need to be honest, it was for the better. Now every day is perfect for a life of celebration. Go ahead. Ooh, 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 for a lifelong celebration. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Gabi na naman. Tayo ulit. Sa gitna ng dagat. Ang layo namin guys, oh. Ang layo niyan. Grabe to.
Hey guys, maglalongit tayo. Lahat itong pinupuntaan namin guys, hindi sa amin to. Dinadala kami ni Lord dito.
Oh guys, welcome to the last day dito sa Dinagat Island. Tayo kami nasa isla. May gagel! Woo! Solid, ano, okay? Sisid na ulit? Sisid na ulit, Sean? Oo. Tara na.
Get up and let's face it, no need to erase it, 'cause memories make you strong. Breathe in and get going.
Damay ka eh! Dinamay ako eh!
And when you lose, you learn that letting go of love will make you a better man. 'Cause life goes on for the lovers. Yeah, life goes on. It goes on. Yeah, life goes on. If you live it, yeah, life goes on. It goes on. Yeah, life goes on. For the lovers, yeah, life goes on. It goes on. Yeah, life goes on. If you live it, yeah, life goes on. It goes on. Yeah, life.